What is going on, guys? In today's video we are heading to Carrizo Springs, guys. We were going to take a trip out to Del Rio, but the lake Amistad is closed for the weekend. Unfortunately, it's shut down, so we are heading to Lake Espantosa, guys. Espantosa, right? We're gonna see if we can launch our boat in there, see if it's not too shallow, what's going on over there. We're really not too sure how it is. Want to see what's going on over there, how shallow it is, how deep it is, if my boat can float in there, or what's the deal, what's going on. Stick around for the video, guys. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, like the video. Anyways, let's get on with this video, guys. Let's go. Coming in hot, boys. Looks like there is no one here.
It's fucking seco.
Oh, there's no water.
Wow, really? You're excited?
Alright, guys, this is so funny. We pulled up to the boat ramp. It is super dry. We brought the boat for nothing, guys. Check it out. Damn. That was a fail, guys. That was a total fail right there, boys. Oh man, look at this. Alright, guys, look at this stuff, guys. The water is supposed to be about right here, and it's all the way down here. That was a fail. Alright, broskies, we're at this other dock, at this other boat ramp. We found another boat ramp. It's pretty shallow. The water, as you can see, the water receded. Let's say that is a lot of water that went down. It's about 5 to 6 feet. That's pretty bad. We're gonna try and launch it right here. It's pretty steep. Let's see if we don't get stuck. Let's go, guys. I always forget to put the damn plug in. Alright, guys, we managed to dock the boat. I don't know what I want to name it. If you have any suggestions on naming this boat, just drop them down in the comments. We're gonna fish this lake right here. That was a close call, guys. We almost went in the water. Anyways, my truck is a V6 two-wheel drive. Just to tell you, this is a steep ass ramp. But anyways, let's get to fishing, guys. The time is not on our side right now. Look at this water, boys. Okay, now for the moment of truth. See if it works, guys. Oh my god, this motor works good. Trolling motor works good. Alright, I give it a thumbs up right here, because it works. Just drop it down a little more. Man, I'm so happy, you guys. The freaking trolling motor works. Alright, that is ridiculous. I just saved myself about 500 bucks. Here, throw it in here. Throw it in here, throw it away. Yeah. Slowly reel it in, slowly. Okay, guys, I got the. Alright, guys, I got the jig right here with the white crawdad.
I got my crawdad.
You got it?
Nope.
Alright, I'm just gonna throw it. This is how I fish, guys. Check it out.
Look at mine.
I see a bunch of weeds in there. Just throw it in there. Let it fall down. Don't even touch it. Just let it fall down. Keep your hand right here on the line. If you feel anything taking it, pull on it, guys. It's really simple. Whoa, what's going on with you, Carrie?
There's a bee chasing me.
It's perfect fishing weather. It's like really hot, like as perfect as you can get. Still water. Ah, we forgot the beer though. Alright, for sure there must be one right there. Like, we'll hit this area right here. We'll go that way. Yeah, we'll go that way. Alright, guys. This is not me right here. This was the old me. Throwing a bunch of crankers. Nah, switched it to the jig. Never went back, guys. Once you go jig, you never go back. So, let's put this bad boy in here. Wow. Throw it. Throws it right there. Oh, right there.
So what are we doing?
What are we doing? We're gonna turn on this bad boy. We're gonna turn on Old Smoky, guys. Let's get it. Get it. Guys, gotta let the engine warm up a little bit before we go. Yeah, Carrie, go ahead and get some footage, kitty. Alright guys, we might lose our motor, our transom, but we're doing it for the YouTube, baby. Let's get it. Does it look shallow or no? Alright guys, I got the big motor, big old Smoky. I got it on forward. We're trolling right now with the big motor. We don't want to go fast. We might hit our motor, damage the boat or something. So we're just coasting along. Let's get it, boys. Hopefully we can catch a big one. Catch something today, right, Carrie?
Yes, sir.
Baby mama, let's get it.
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun 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 dun.
What? Oh, yeah.
Baby armadillo!
Check it out, Carrie. Look at how beautiful it looks. Get that footage.
Whoa.
Alright guys, we're gonna fish this area right here. Gonna see how it goes. Hopefully we can get something, right, Carrie?
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Crybaby 2 over there. I'm playing, guys. It is over 100 degrees outside. We're gonna fish it for a little bit. It's nice out here. Stick around for the video. I mean, even if we don't catch anything, I'll be posting it up. So let's do it. Bring it in, bring it in. Golly, first one of the day. Taking it off by yourself. You got it? It's been a while. It's been like 3 hours. We haven't caught anything. First one of the day, guys. What'd you catch it on? Little rattle trap? Shiniest? Wow. That sucks.
Say,
The rattle trap.
ow. Say cheese.
Look at that bass, boy. Smell it.
Oh yeah.
Smell it. Kiss it so you can have good luck. Ooh, all this is freaking infected or something. What? Did a double backflip.